Hi friends, have you ever heard of the Chettinad mansions? The once richest area of India where the Chettiars, as they were called, gave money to even the kings. Nestled in the sun-baked heart of Tamil Nadu, Chettinad spans across 75 villages of the Shivagangai and Pudukottai district. It was home to the prosperous Natukottai Chettiars. Originating from the Kaveri Poompattanam around the 13th century, these master traders migrated inland after a devastating tsunami, settling in 96 hamlets by the 19th century. Their wealth from global commerce in spices, gems, textiles, salt, and banking, spanning Southeast Asia, Europe, and Burma, fueled an era of opulence from 1850 to 1940. The Chettinad mansions, over 10,000 in number, embody this fusion of culture and climates. These mansions were grid-planned around vast central courtyards featuring thick brick walls, lime plaster, and terracotta roofs for natural cooling in the arid heat. Burmese teak pillars, intricately carved, Italian marble floors gleam alongside vibrant handcrafted Athangudi tiles with floral motifs. Belgian stained glass windows filter light into grand halls, while European columns mingle with Tamil tinnais, which are raised platforms for gatherings. Spanning around 100 meters from front to back door, these homes hosted weddings, festivals and rituals near local temples like those in the Ilaya Tangudi and the Pillayarpatti region. Today, many mansions are converted into heritage hotels, but Chettinad's legacy continues, a symphony of stone, trade and timeless artistry.